Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M01 core. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Following that, you need to click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Now you need to, as you can see, open both of them, click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. After that, select send on an Android and receive on Samsung. Then click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take a lot of time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Click send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Samsung, choose allow and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of files app, select, in my case, images, and tap on Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!